Welcome to 5-Minute Tour. Wait, you're not here yet. Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where we review tools that I bought with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today we are reviewing our RIDGID Gen5x impact drivers. So I have been on the RIDGID system for
5 years.
5 years?
I don't know.
About 4 or 5 years, yeah. I can't remember. This is my first impact driver, and obviously I thought it was good enough to buy actually a whole second Gen5x combo kit. And so I thought it was good enough to buy the whole kit again. I have a lot of the RIDGID 18-volt tools, and I think that this collection is going to continue growing. It has 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3, slow, medium, high. The kit came with 2 4 amp hour batteries. One thing I will say about the RIDGID batteries is
What? They suck.
They suck.
After a while, yeah, man.
These are still good.
They run down pretty quick.
Yeah.
They run down pretty quick, I feel like. But, you know.
The 2 amp hour ones do suck, because I got some of the little batteries with just one of those 99 drill kits, $9 drill kits, because it was like I get 2 batteries and a charger for $99 and an extra little drill. But little batteries, it's an obvious power difference. I know it's not supposed to be, and somebody's going to argue against that there's a power difference between 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour. But there's definitely a power difference, and the runtime is much more than double with this. The nice thing about the RIDGID is it does come with that lifetime warranty. And this guy, how many times have we set this on fire?
Like 2 or 3.
Yeah, we've set this guy on this particular drill on fire about 2 times, from dropping it, kicking it, sparks shooting out the sides, hunks of metal from the
smoke coming out. We were afraid to breathe in all that stuff, so we threw it far away from us.
Yeah, but every time it's been fixed.
Yeah.
Last time I took it in, we dropped it doing some drywall work, and I remember this one in particular. I dropped it from on top of the ladder, and it started making a funny noise, but I had to finish, right? And this was the tool I had. So I just kept using it. Sparks kept flying, smoke kept coming out, and then eventually it just stopped. It finally just stopped working altogether. I actually just took it, hit it on the concrete some more, because what could I do, and kept going. And when they pulled it up, they said it had gotten so hot, it actually started melting the housing that this is built in. But they replaced the parts that were broken, and I got a new drill back. So other than that, I have to say it is pretty durable, but I use this tool every single day.
Didn't one of the repair workers tell you to like get a new drill, like a totally new drill, or like buy a new system or something, because you kept bringing that particular impact in? Like,
no, he said that he shouldn't warranty it, but he liked me. He's like, I shouldn't warranty it because it's obvious abuse. I was like, what are you talking about?
Right.
And he's like, it's obvious abuse, but I like you, so we're just going to fix it anyway. Not going to tell you which Home Depot I went to, because I don't want him losing his job, because he's awesome. But yeah, but I have a second set. This one is about 1.5 years old, and no problems with it. It's fallen a few times from a workbench, and every time this is broke, it's been falling from on top of the ladder onto concrete. It's fallen from our workbench to the floor 100 times. All my other tools have fallen from the workbench to the floor 100 times. They're all good. For the value that you get with the combo kit, I'm going to do each tool, and I did an overview of the full combo kit a long time ago, but I'm going to keep it 5 minutes. I would say it's definitely worth a buy. I'm probably going to be switching over to a different system just because I want to, and I'm bored with this one. But as far as the impacts go, they're good. Devin, you got the DeWalt head-to-head. What do you think? We don't have it here today. We'll do a head-to-head later.
Yeah. It's pretty good. I mean, I feel like mine's probably a tiny bit better, but that one's directly right behind it, even for its age.
Yeah. And that might be part of the issue. It's just the age.
Yeah.
I do like how the DeWalt feels in your hand a little bit better.
Yeah.
Daddy, are we even done
And it
yet?
always gets abused by his his oldest boy, but it fights back.
Fights back. Alright, well, thanks for watching this episode of 5 Minute Tool Reviews. Tune in next week. Like this video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it.
And I do a Nerf video with my dad.
And we're going to do some Nerf gun videos coming up, and I didn't lock the casters on my workbench. So, see you later next time.